my dear friends, so today I'm coming back to my Alfa Romeo Spider project, and as you can see from my previous videos, probably if you watch my channel you already have seen the front bumper conversion. You can check, the link is right here. And today, as promised, I want to show you a short video about the rear bumper conversion. And we will talk today about what parts you need to do that and how to do. So I will remove now the rear bumper to show you from the body to the structure what parts and how to put. Because as you know, these American ugly big bumpers originally came on this car because this is American version Spider, and as you can see I almost finished to convert this bumper to European style. Yes, as you can see also I still have a American rear number plate lights, and here is the place for European one, so I haven't decided yet how I will do, because if I want to delete these ones, yes, I forgot to weld these holes, but I can make a bigger plate surrounding the number plate and put this one. So I can leave this one and then just this one to delete this one, or put all together. So we will see at the end how I will finish this project, but in this moment I have this kind of situation. So let's go with step by step. Okay, so as you can see, here I have two plates, and I will put on this video description part all the necessary parts that you need for this conversion. And in general, because this is you can see maybe here, the old holes was fixing the US style bumper, because it was pushing inside with such a special one, and this you buy and you just screw on this locations. It's already, the car has inside the 4 places where you can put 4 screws here, and here is a hanging place on this bumper. On European version style you have where it hangs here. And one more thing, there is also from the corners that I haven't done yet, but in a process to do it, and I will show you how the looks side part, how looks fixing from the side. So just close up for this part. You see I still just because it's for showing, I still have all the rusted bolts, so we'll change them. But in general, to understand where this part is fixing and then what role it plays. Also, just to show you a little bit more details, so in general, this part should be fixed somewhere here. So I will see how to do, and later will show you the final version, because as you can see on a bumper I have to place right here. So maybe, yes, but you know, I couldn't have a place here because on an old bumper I haven't this fixing position, so I don't know. So this will be the tricky one. I have to put back, and you know, to make sure that I can put it in a correct position. So, but in general that's it. It's only, you know, 4 points. Okay, so my dear friends, as you saw on this video, you know, for you just short tips, and as I mentioned, all the information I will put on the description part of this video. I bought these parts from the classic Alfa, and in general is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 necessary extra parts you need to have to do rear bumper conversion, and of course the main rear bumper. In previous video I mentioned that the front bumpers was not so good quality, but this one is okay. It really looks solid, and here is everything welded nice and so on. So a heavy bumper and so on, but everything looks okay, and I hope that soon finally I will finish this beautiful project, because it took it for a while. So guys, thank you very much one more time for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my channels, and as always, greetings from Vilnius, and see you next time. Bye.